Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Aunt Fanny's cleaning vinegar is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning solutions you can add to your arsenal, offering a powerful yet natural way to tackle grime, grease, and everyday messes throughout your home without the harsh chemicals found in many conventional cleaners, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a healthier and more eco-friendly approach to maintaining a sparkling living space. Number 5. Harris Multipurpose Vinegar Cleaner. Introducing a powerful cleaner that tackles messes effectively. Its natural formula makes it a great choice for your home. Enjoy a refreshing burst of orange scent with every use. It leaves your surfaces smelling clean and inviting. This generous 128-ounce bottle ensures you have plenty of cleaner for all your needs. It's designed for long-lasting use. We've included an easy pour funnel to make refilling and dispensing a breeze. Say goodbye to spills and messes. This versatile cleaner is perfect for a wide range of household surfaces. It's your go-to solution for everyday cleaning tasks. Harnessing the natural power of vinegar, this cleaner cuts through grease and grime. It provides a streak-free shine on multiple surfaces. What we like? This cleaner comes in a generous 128-ounce size, perfect for tackling large cleaning jobs. Its refreshing orange scent leaves your home smelling fresh. If you're looking for a cost-effective, large-volume cleaner for general household use, this is a great choice. What people say? It cleans and deodorizes effectively. The vinegar is a great all-purpose cleaner for various surfaces. It leaves surfaces sparkling clean without harsh chemicals. Number 4. Aunt Fanny's Ultra Concentrated Floor Cleaner Vinegar Wash. Introducing Aunt Fanny's Ultra Concentrated Floor Cleaner. It's a powerful, multi-surface solution designed to make your floors shine. This highly concentrated formula makes up to 16 gallons of cleaner, offering incredible value and long-lasting use. Enjoy the refreshing and bright lemon scent as you clean. It leaves your home smelling fresh and revitalized. Its vinegar-based formula is tough on dirt and grime but gentle on various floor surfaces, ensuring a safe and effective clean. Simply dilute it with water for an effective mopping solution. Achieve brilliant, streak-free results with every use. Choose Aunt Fanny's for a cleaning experience that is both effective and pleasant. It's the smart choice for a sparkling home. What we like? Experience powerful cleaning with this ultra-concentrated formula that makes up to 16 gallons. The bright lemon scent adds a pleasant aroma to your freshly cleaned floors. If you want a highly effective, multi-surface floor cleaner that offers great value and a delightful scent, this is the one for you. What people say? This vinegar is a great cleaner for multiple surfaces. It effectively removes soap scum and hard water stains. The vinegar has a pleasant, light scent, unlike other cleaning vinegars. Number 3. Aunt Fanny's Ultra Concentrated Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Introducing Aunt Fanny's Ultra Concentrated Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Achieve a brilliant shine on your hardwood floors with our powerful, plant-based formula. Our cleaner is vinegar-free, making it gentle yet effective for all your mopping needs. It's tough on dirt but kind to your floors. Enjoy the bright, refreshing scent of lemon as you clean. It leaves your home smelling fresh and revitalized. A little goes a long way with our ultra-concentrated formula. Get more cleaning power in every drop, saving you time and effort. Harness the power of plants for a superior clean. This hardwood floor cleaner is designed for maximum effectiveness without harsh chemicals. Make your mopping routine a breeze. This cleaner is specifically formulated to work wonders on your hardwood floors, leaving them spotless. What we like? Protect your delicate hardwood floors with this specialized, vinegar-free cleaner. Its plant-based formula is gentle yet effective, ensuring a beautiful shine. If you have hardwood floors and are seeking a safe, natural cleaner to maintain their beauty, this product is ideal. What people say? This vinegar is great for cleaning and deodorizing. It works on grease, grime, and soap scum. I love that this vinegar is all natural and safe to use around my family and pets. The scent of this vinegar is very mild and pleasant, not overpowering like some other cleaners. Number 2. Aunt Fanny's Glass and Window Cleaning Vinegar Spray. Tired of streaks and smudges? Aunt Fanny's Vinegar Spray offers a natural solution for a crystal-clear finish on your glass surfaces. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free shine with our powerful yet gentle formula. It's perfect for all your glass and window cleaning needs. Harnessing the natural cleaning power of vinegar, this spray cuts through grime and leaves surfaces spotless. Enjoy a cleaner home, the natural way. Our formula is tough on dirt but gentle on your home. Experience effective cleaning without harsh chemicals, ensuring a safe environment for your family. This 16.9-ounce bottle provides ample cleaning power for numerous uses. Keep your windows and glass looking their best with this convenient spray. What we like? Achieve crystal clear, streak-free windows and glass surfaces with this effective spray. The natural vinegar-based formula cuts through grime without harsh chemicals. If you desire spotless glass and mirrors with a natural cleaning solution, this is your go-to option. What people say. The vinegar is a great all-purpose cleaner that can be used on various surfaces. It effectively removes soap scum and hard water stains from bathrooms and kitchens. The natural ingredients make it a safe alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. Number 1. Aunt Fanny's All-Purpose Bathroom Cleaner Vinegar Spray. Introducing Aunt Fanny's All-Purpose Bathroom Cleaner. This powerful vinegar spray tackles dirt and grime effectively, leaving your bathroom sparkling clean. Harnessing the natural cleaning power of vinegar, this spray is perfect for all your bathroom surfaces. It's designed to cut through soap scum and water spots with ease. From showers and tubs to toilets, tiles, and sinks, this cleaner does it all. Its versatile formula ensures a thorough clean throughout your bathroom. Achieve a brilliant shine with minimal effort. Just spray and wipe for a fresh and clean bathroom environment. This 16.9-ounce bottle provides ample cleaning power for multiple uses. Keep your bathroom looking its best with this convenient and effective solution. Trust Aunt Fanny's to deliver a powerful clean without harsh chemicals. Enjoy a naturally fresh and hygienic bathroom. What we like? Conquer bathroom messes with this powerful vinegar spray designed for showers, tubs, toilets, and more. It effectively tackles soap scum and grime, leaving surfaces sparkling. If you're dealing with tough bathroom cleaning challenges and want a specialized, effective solution, this cleaner is perfect. What people say. It works great for cleaning my kitchen counters and appliances. I love that it is all natural and safe to use around my pets and children. The scent is very mild and pleasant, not overpowering like other cleaners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.